Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to remove object from Picsart. To remove an object from Picsart from a photo, you can simply follow through the steps. First of all, open up the Picsart application and from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the See All Plus button at the top left and select an image you want to edit from your device's camera roll. After selecting an image, go ahead and tap on the Remove option at the bottom of the screen. Select your brush size by dragging the little white slider and trace around the area that you want to remove from your image. Now click on the Apply button at the top right corner, but remember that in order to make use of this effect, you must be a pro subscriber for Picsart. If you are, simply tap on Apply and you will be able to remove an object from the image. If you are not a pro subscriber, you can also make use of the cloning tool to fix any imperfection. So that is how you can easily remove an object from Picsart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.